Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today we got a pretty cool one. So as you guys know, I not too long ago got the Tungsten nest from TwoEDC, but today we're going to be unboxing the big nest, which is the bigger version of this. Really excited about this one. Cannot wait to try it out. Alright, so put this aside for now. But yeah, we're going to get right into this. This side does have mattress, so I'm gonna open it off camera. Give me 1 second. Alright, and before we get on into the video, make sure to check out the 2ADC Facebook page. I'll link it down below. And also don't forget to check out our channel sponsors down below as well. You can use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, let me get this thing out of here. Alright, there we go. Thank you, Samuel. 2EDC. Alright. Here it is. I can already feel it, man. Pretty heavy. Alright. Big nest. 1031. Sticker. Cool. I'll put this back in here for now. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Right off the bat, I am a fan of the look. And I am immediately in love with this thing. Hold on 1 second, let me get my cloth. Just to quickly wipe off all the debris that's on it. But all right, here's a close-up on this thing. Oh, amazing machine finish. It's got my fingerprints already on it. But oh my god. This thing is amazing. Samuel, if you guys saw my last video on this one, I absolutely loved it. And yeah, Samuel, Sam, you did an amazing job on this thing. One sec. It is amazing. Definitely do like the bigger version for sure. Let's see if it passes the lift test. It is perfectly balanced. Let me try it again. It's got like a slight tilt, but when spinning it, I can't really feel anything. And it's really balanced, as you can see, at high speeds, but absolutely loving this piece. So smooth. But all right, let me go ahead and try out the weight on this thing. I'll be making a separate video where I compare these two. 185. Wow, that's a good weight. So currently these are my other tungsten spinners. Tungsten edamame, tungsten mini ergo. Love this thing. Then we got the tungsten nest, the regular size, and then the big nest. Yeah, man, these are good. All right, let me get the weight of all of them. But all right, I'm gonna start off with this one first. 134, 164, 185, and 240. Wow. Now I want to try something. 170. Okay, so this body just 10 grams less than, was it 10 or was it 15? Yeah, 15 grams less than this whole thing. That's crazy. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing. But yeah, those are the tungsten spinners. Alright, I'm gonna put these aside. I'm gonna talk a bit more about the tungsten nest, the big nest, I mean. There's a close-up on it. You can already see my fingerprints. Beautiful machine finish. Nice bearing as well. Look at that. The body alone. Let's see. Body alone is 127. Buttons are 57. Pretty heavy. Not bad. And the buttons are 21.8. Call it 22. $58 in length, thickness 21, height 15. Not bad. Man, overall a 10 out of 10 for me so far. I would love a thin version of this, even though it's kind of pretty thin already, but I would not mind a thinner version, to be honest. Like, I've been digging this thing, the Quasar, I think it's called, XL, from Fidget HQ. It's pretty thin, you see what I mean. I want this thing in tungsten so bad. But yeah, it's so good. Pretty quiet as well. Oh my god. It is really, really good, guys. If you guys can get one, definitely do. And if you guys have an opportunity to buy one, definitely do, because these are not going to be made anymore. I talked to Sam. He said that this was probably the last run that he'll do for these. But who knows? Maybe like in a year or two. I don't know. But he's focusing on other stuff as well right now. But he said he will no longer be doing another run of these. It's a really good spinner, guys. this is definitely gonna get some daily carry use for sure. I'll give it some time, a couple days, but right now, still all-time favorite is the Tungsten edamame. But yeah, I'm getting a lot more tungsten spinners soon, so stay tuned for a video where I talk about them all, compare them all. Quickly, I want to try out these buttons on the edamame. They're good, but not too comfortable on the edamame. But on the Nest, it's a perfect fit. Yeah, but man, well, this thing is close to impossible to obtain. Like, I got really lucky. I guess kind of right time, right place. I had the right things to get it. But this one, you can just get for cash. It is not that expensive. Retail on these was like $3.50, but what's it called? I think they are going for a little bit of a premium right now because they're brand new. People want them. But yeah, this is just an amazing spinner. Hopefully, maybe Sam decides to make the big bantam. I don't know. Maybe that's an idea. I'm gonna message you, Sam, after this about that idea. But who knows? Probably not. But he's got like the big triangle coming up soon. I am so in for that for Tungsten. He's got the Ziggy, I believe it's called, in Tungsten coming up. And I believe another new design. I forget what it was. But yeah, 3 spinners coming up. Oh, it was the Big Poe. That's what it was. The Big Poe. Probably get that too. I don't know. Looks pretty similar to the Big Nez, so I may not. Who knows? First impressions, absolutely love it. Keeping it for sure. Look at that. Yeah, it's great. So yeah, again, make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. You can use my code DAVID to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.